Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cook with Reena. This is the YouTube channel which I have launched during this lockdown, and just due to that, whatever dishes I have prepared, I am teaching in this channel. You will find all the ingredients which are readily available in most of our kitchen, vegetables, masalas, spices, and whatever. So these are very easy to make recipes, at the same time very healthy and very attractively made also. So all your family members will be attracted to have these recipes, dishes. So please subscribe to my channel Cook with Reena and share, like, and please help me to grow, and I'll teach you very delicious healthy recipes. So let's see what's cooking today. Today we are going to prepare caramelized orange upside down cake. I have taken pomelo instead of oranges. I have taken this grapefruit. I shall make it with this and some orange rinds. And the ingredients will be, the first step I'll show you. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Today my daughter is going to prepare this. Just 2 cups of flour. 1 cup, another cup, another cup. Take another cup. Two cups of flour. Half teaspoon of baking soda. Half teaspoon of baking soda. One teaspoon of baking powder. This is half spoon measurement, so I am taking twice. Now sieve it. Now we shall keep it aside. Now we'll do the caramelization. We have to caramelize the orange. Switch on, switch on. We'll take 6 tablespoons of water. Six tablespoons of water. 1 minute. And 3/4 cup of sugar we'll take. This is brown sugar. I have powdered it. This is half cup, and we shall take water more. This will be 3/4. let it get caramelized. We have to reduce it. We have to take care that it should not burn. Because it's brown sugar, so the color is already dark. We shall add 3 teaspoons of butter to this. That's all. It was heaped teaspoon, that's why we took it twice only. So we should take off from fire, otherwise it will get burned. Let it cool for some time, then we'll put it in the cake pan. This is our cake pan. I'm going to make a small cake today. Pour it inside. This is our cake pan. Now we shall start with the whipping. Now we come to the second part of it. We start the whipping. We take 1/4 cup of butter and another 1 tablespoon. That comes to 3/4 cup of butter. And there we pour 1/2 cup of sugar. This is powdered sugar. Now start whipping. It's our anniversary tomorrow, so my daughter wants to prepare the cake for me. So she's doing the main part. Come on, do it. You have to clean this. Sugar and butter, you have to clean it. should put one duster below so that this doesn't move. It's a better idea. Now do it. Do it again. Some more again. Cream nicely. So now we shall add the egg one by one. Chop it now. This. Be careful about the shells. Whip it, whip, whip. This is got curdled, but it is very normal. As soon as when we put the dry ingredients, it will get okay. Now we shall put some flavor to it, orange flavor. Because we are making orange cake, so instead of vanilla essence, we shall put one teaspoon of full orange flavor. Yes, little more. That's all. Yes. Now I have some orange rinds that I have scraped from orange, so I'll add this. This is about 1 tablespoon. Add it. This is orange skins. I have caramelized it, and I shall add this also. This will bring a great flavor to the cake. These are all homemade. Whip it now. Whip it up. Now we shall add the dry ingredient to it. Our sieved flour in batches. Add whipping I shall add. It will have to go hand in hand. I'll add some orange juice to it. This is half to quarter cup of fresh orange juice. Stop for some time. Let us scrape from the sides. Now we don't need to whip it anymore. We shall mix it with the spatula with cut and fold method. Cross, yes, and cut in one direction, yes. It is almost ready. That bubbles have come. So we shall add some dry fruits and put to the oven. My oven is preheated in 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So adding some the walnuts really nice. Roasted walnuts I am adding. It's completely optional whatever nuts you want to add, but orange and this walnut gets very nice. So it is done. Now we shall arrange our cooking vessel, baking dish, and pour in it. No, accident. It's a baking dish. বড় চাই এতটা আসবে না হয়তো হ্যাঁ বড় তো তাহলে অরেঞ্জগুলো কম করে যাবে Now this is our baking dish, and we shall arrange these oranges. First keep one in center, just in center. This is the caramelized sugar. We'll arrange. Yes. Overlapping one another. Overlapping. One more we can keep. This here. You can keep because this won't be seen. That's all. Now this our base is actually, this is not the base, this will be the top side of the cake, and we shall pour this our cake mixture in it. You may not require the full one. First, that's all. Let us see. We have to keep some little more you can pour. There is some more space. This will rise. That's all. We'll be able to make another small cake with this. We have to, base should be similar because that's all. It is now ready to go into the oven. before putting it to the oven for baking, you have to tap it so that whatever extra air is there inside, it will go out and it will rise evenly. It's gone inside the oven. It is 180 degrees Celsius. I shall put it to 30 minutes. Initial 30 minutes. It may take 40 minutes also. We shall check after 30 minutes. The cake is out from the oven. There are little cracks, so it doesn't matter. We have to cut off this base to make it plain at the bottom, because this will be the bottom side of the cake. To scrape yes, now you have to invert the cake. Is it coming out? Just oh wow.
Wow. Amazing.
Just see.
Happy anniversary.
Fantastic.
This is amazing.
Now you can decorate the cake with cherries. Just insert it like this. So gorgeous. Put one here. Wow. Wonderful.
Wow.
That's very good. It's nicely caramelized from all the sides. All the sides nicely caramelized. The caramelization has been done nicely. So it's ready. Hope you have liked the video and you can now easily prepare this cake, this luscious, attractive cake. It's going to be really very tasty, and hope you have liked the video. Please share, give your comments, and do not forget to subscribe my channel to get more and more nice recipes like this. Bye bye. Look at this gorgeous